Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to Prep Fusion. So I'm preparing for GATE 2027 examination and I'm looking for a study partner for GATE. So let's make a Telegram group or let's connect on Discord and let's study for GATE examination together. Is this how you prepare for GATE examination? Yes, you will create a group. Everyone would be dedicated initially. Yes, let's get started studying. One guy will come, he will say, let's study network analysis from educator X. Other one will say, no, let's study network analysis from educator Y. Other one will say, let's study network analysis from educator Z. So first argument would be there that who is the best educator. So you will spend good enough time in finding the best educator. Let's just say you all agreed on educator Y. You will all get started with educator Y. You will study network analysis 50% of the guys. Let's just say there are 10 guys. 5 guys will not even be able to complete network analysis ever. They will drop in between. They will drop the preparation of GATE examination, sir. 5 guys went together. They prepared for network analysis. One guy will finish in 20 days. Other guys will finish in 30 days. Some guy will take 60 days. The guy who is taking 30 days or 60 days, they will feel very demotivated because someone has completed in 20 days only. Then they will ask him, what was your strategy? There is no strategy at all. Why is that so? Because different people have different mindset, different temperament, and different way of taking up the things. Some guys can complete a particular subject in 20 days, while some guys might need 60 days as well. You would be thinking we are all doing engineering, sir. We are all in the tier 2, tier 3 colleges, tier 4 colleges. That means, sir, we all are on the same page. Absolutely not. You never know what is the IQ level of a guy. I have seen private colleges guy having better IQ level than a tier 1 colleges guy. A lot of private college guys are there. You cannot judge anyone's IQ by their college tag. Okay? You never know what kind of intelligence he is having. So you will create that kind of group, and in the group itself, you will be feeling that, sir, I'm lagging behind. In the competition, I'm lagging behind. But that 60 days, guys, the guy who is completing network analysis in 60 days, will he never be able to get a good rank? Absolutely not. He can also get a good rank if he is competing with himself, not with anyone else. I myself have got a 27 rank in GATE examination. I never ever studied with a single person. Initially we tried, but no one was able to match my frequency, and no one was able to get dedicated enough. No one was dedicated enough for GATE examination. Someone was saying I will prepare for placements. Then someone was saying the GATE is not relevant enough. We will go to VLSI training institute. This that different people, different mindset. Nothing will work out. Eventually you are preparing alone. Top 100 rankers. Out of those 100 rankers, 98 people prepared alone. Only 2 guys were there who prepared together. Are you taking inspiration from those JEE guys? There were 2 guys, no? One guy got 35 rank, I guess, and another one got 135 rank. Both are brothers. One, I remember the name of one guy, Mashood, I guess, right? So they sat together on a table, they prepared together. First of all, they prepared offline. And secondly, 35 rank in JEE once, 135 rank in JEE once. That means they are very intelligent, man. Very, very intelligent. They are twin brothers from the childhood. They are together. They are very, very, very intelligent. You are not that guy. So, do you really think that spending time in all those things, making a Telegram group, finding a study buddy, and all those things, is it fruitful? Absolutely not. I have been in this field from 2019 onwards, from 2020 onwards. I have seen so many Telegram groups being created and so many Telegram groups being destroyed as well. You create a group of 10 people. Out of 10 people, 7 will not even qualify. Forget about getting a good rank. So it's up to your hard work. There is no one who can motivate you to study hard. Yes, let's study hard together. Nothing. These motivation will work for 3 to 4 days, not after that. Motivation comes only from one guy, that is you yourself. Only you can motivate yourself. No matter how many Sandeep Maheshwari video I watch, how many videos of you GATE educators you watch, never ever motivation does not come like that. Motivation comes only from one thing, that today I am waking up, I am writing down 5 things, that these 5 things I need to complete. First of all, I need to complete this chapter. Second, I need to hit the gym. Third, I need to walk for 30 minutes. Fourth, I need to revise this particular chapter. All these things I have written. Am I able to complete all those tasks in this day? If yes, job done. That's it. If today I am not able to complete, tomorrow I will try to complete all the tasks. This is how you need to compete with yourself. That's it. This is what I used to do in my profession. The time my eyes are open, the first thing I used to do is that in today what I need to do to even today, like now I am in my work life, right? I am teaching now. So even today when I wake up, I make the first thing I do is that making the plan of the day. That today what I'm going to do for the full day. When I go to my bed for sleeping, I should be done with these certain tasks. This much I need to study, this much I need to make content, and this much recording I need to do. So everything I write down. And when I'm going to bed, if I have done all those things, I will feel very happy. If I'm not able to do all these things, don't worry. Tomorrow I will try to do better. That's it. This is the competition that I'm having. I'm having the competition with myself, not with anyone else. I'm not here to prove anyone anything. I'm here to prove to myself one thing, that I am capable enough of doing anything in my life, whether it is a GATE examination, whether it will be placements or my work life. That's it. That's the bottom line. So stop looking for your study buddy and all those things. Start preparing. Who will motivate you? Enough motivation is there. Watch those videos, but once you sit on your table, you should be motivated enough. You should be having enough dedication that yes, now I will study and no one can stop me from studying now. Okay, sir, a lot of time is wasted in scrolling the reels, sir, this thing, that thing. Like, there would be enough distraction. There would be 100 reasons to drop study. There would be 100 reasons to stop studying, but there will be one reason to continue studying, and that is making a better future for yourself. That's it. Sir, I'm studying from conceptual understanding. Sir, I'm studying for getting a good conceptual understanding of the engineering subject, this thing, that thing. No, everyone is studying for one thing, that is making your future. That's it. We study for making the future. Sir, आज मैंने जो पढ़ा है, sir, today whatever that I studied, by using those concepts, how will I be able to make my today's dinner? How will I be able to make my tonight's dinner using those concepts? No, you will not be making dinner using those concepts, but you will be having those concepts clear. Those concepts will help you getting a good rank in GATE examination. Good rank in GATE examination will help you getting seat in masters. In master, if you study hard, you will get a good placement. If you get a good placement, then you will get a good enough money. Using that good enough money, you will be able to buy the grocery, and that grocery will help you making tonight's dinner. Right? So eventually what matters? A good career matters. Right? Saying that we study for conceptual understanding and all, there might be one guy out of 100 like that who is studying for conceptual understanding. 99% of the guys are studying for placements. That's why I always say one thing, that those two, there are a lot of professors as well, right? In IITs and ISC, there are a lot of professors as well. They will say one thing, that we don't want you to go for some industrial job or anything. We want you to proceed with PhD. We want you to do higher studies. But they don't understand that students have to run the family as well, no? Like, there is a particular institute, I will not take its name. They don't care about much placements. They don't care much about the placements. They only care about one thing, that we will motivate them to study, to go for higher studies. We will ask them to go for MS or PhD and all. But there are 5 guys out of 10 whose family is depending on them. After 2 years, they have to earn. If they don't earn, then the family will not be having good enough money. They need to earn. And that's why they are studying. So placements are important. You become a philosopher once you get successful, not before that. You will never ever see a beggar telling about life lessons. No, he will not tell you life lessons. He will not say money doesn't matter. Only one guy who is very successful, in his life, he is having good enough money, only that guy will say money doesn't matter. Not a beggar. Okay, not a poor person. Are you able to understand this point? Right? So once a guy gets placement, no. Once a guy is placed, no. After that, he says one thing, that we should study for getting the knowledge, not for the placement. Once he is placed, I have seen a lot of people giving Gyan on LinkedIn, that hey, you are preparing for placements this in that manner, in this manner, but we should be having the knowledge. We should study for the knowledge, and eventually your knowledge will matter. But I remember that guy, what kind of feeling he was having on the night of 30th November, because in IITs, 1st December onwards, interviews will start. In the night only. On the night of 30th November only, they will start taking the interview. So I remember that guy. The guy who is given the gap, no. I remember his DMs on 30th November. What was his DM? Sir, ये वाला doubt का दो, sir, ये वाला सवाल पूछा जा सकता है, ये वाला का दो. If you were studying for knowledge, why you were so much concerned about your interview? Right? Once you got placed, after that you are giving all these gyan, no? That we should study in that manner, we should study in this manner. If we are studying only this much topic, that means we are only preparing for placements. Your knowledge is not improving. All these knowledge and all this gun will come up once you get successful. But yeah, from where we started, from where the gun was come. So just one more life lesson I gave. So what I was saying, eventually the point is that we should not be making any study group and all those things, because more thoughts, more complex it will get. Only one thought, that I need to compete with myself, I need to get myself better, that's it. I need to make my life better, I need to compete with myself, and I will make myself better than I was the previous day. Whatever I was having, whatever the kind of temperament I was having in the previous day, today I will be having a better temperament. That's the motivation that you need to keep. That's it. Okay. Thank you very much. Happy learning.